In this video, let's talk about the AI agent certification. You can enroll in this certification program that is completely free and you will be certified by Hugging Face. Hugging Face is well known in AI industry. Hugging Face, LangChain, these are some well known name if you talk about AI. And getting certified by Hugging Face on AI agent will definitely add some credibility to your profile. In this video, let's see how we can enroll in this course, what is this course about, and what you will get from this course. So this course is on the official Hugging Face website. I will give the link in the description so that you can enroll in this course. If you don't know Hugging Face is basically a community for AI and machine learning. And this course is composed of fundamental units where you will learn about the basics of AI agents in theory. In hands-on section, you will learn to use established AI agent library to train your agents in unique environment. So this is the course and it's completely 100% free. And what are prerequisites to enroll in this course? You need just a computer and a Hugging Face account. You can create a Hugging Face account on the top right. I have already logged in, that's why I can see my profile. But if you are not logged in, you will see a option to create account there. And to sign up in the course, you can see here is the link. Sign up in the course, just click on this link. It will open like this. Enter your email and these two things are optional. So you can just enter your brief detail and subscribe to this course. And yes, there is a deadline for completing this course. All the assessments must be finished before May 1st, 2025. Till now, just one unit from this course is released. If you will go at the end, on the left side, you will see next unit section. Here you can see when next units will get released. So keep watching this, when next units are there, that units will be added in the left section. And it's a great opportunity. If you are getting certified from Hugging Face, then that's something big. And I would highly recommend you to enroll in this course. It's not paid, it's completely free. Even if you will not be able to complete the final assessment, you will get certification for the first unit and you will definitely learn a lot of things about AI agents. So that's all about this course and certification. I would say share it with your friends, family members, whomever you want to not miss this opportunity, because it's a great opportunity and also there is a deadline.